ko dinala yung camera ko kasi ayoko mag-content eh. But I see that this is contentable. Is contentable even a word? A moment, a place, or a situation na pwedeng gawing content. Hi everyone, welcome to... It's a segue. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Pinoy Carnivore Diaries and today nandito ako ngayon sa Good Food sa UP din nila. Marami mga pwedeng kainin dito na carnivore. Pakita ko sa inyo. Let's try this steak place. The only steak place here in Good Food Court. This is called Steak to One. Steak to One. It's a clever name. Let's try it. Meron silang Australian tenderloin, porterhouse, there's T-bone, there's burger steak, there's also bagnet sisig. Yan yung mga beef nila.
265.
Okay, Australian tenderloin, 265 pesos. Okay, so ang in-order ko ay Australian tenderloin. Tikman natin kung gaano ka worth it yung 265 pesos na steak dito sa UP Diliman. So habang hinihintay yung steak na in-order ko, tignan muna natin yung mga carnivore foods na pwedeng mabili dito. Meron ditong mga chorizo and burgers. Yan. This is called Flipside. Flipside Burgers. And then next to that is Rafa's Kitchen. Thai dishes. Yan. And then next to that is Japanese naman. Yaki-yaki. Yakisoba and takoyaki. They have here ramens and mga yakisoba and takoyaki. Meron din silang burgers. There's the usual barbecue. Isa one. Meron silang mga seafoods. Bangus. Panay bangus. There's street food. What's this? Chicken strips. And then may mga lugaw. Then may mga lugaw. There's Hong Kong duck. Meron din Hong Kong street food style. Merong Pelayo sisig. And then there's Milas lechon. Yan, so dumating na yung steak ko. I asked for a medium rare. And it really looks like it's medium rare. Medyo pinkish pa yung laman. Let's see how good this is. Comes with a gravy. Yung gravy niya parang looks like Mang Tomas lang. But let's taste it. Oh, medyo malabnaw pero masarap naman. Masarap, malambot. Mutikman.
Anong patan?
Tenderloin. Malambot ang pagkakaluto, kaya lang I think kulang sa seasoning. Nasanay ako dun sa mga steak na ginagawa ko na madaming salt and pepper. Maalat, but I like it that way. This one parang kulang sa seasoning.
Kaya may atsara.
Atsara is here, pero hindi naman seasoning ang atsara.
Side dish.
Side dish lang siya. Look at the doneness. Ba't di ko ma-achieve yung ganitong doneness? Pag ako nagluluto ng steak sa bahay, laging I wanted it to be like this na medyo pinkish pa yung loob. Pero kahit 1 minute ko lang Ginigrill first side. Feeling ko nasusunog ko parati. Or at least overdone. Hindi naman sunog. So kung gusto niyo ng cheaper steak, relatively cheaper steak, pwede niyong dayuhin itong Steak to One dito sa UP Diliman. Viewed Food, it's a food court dito sa malapit sa College of Fine Arts. Look at that. Good steak. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next episode.